Hey guys. How's it going, everyone? How's it going? Oh, what another volatile day. What another volatile day, everyone. Incredible. Incredible. All right, so we are... Hold on one second, let me just get some coffee myself. How's everybody doing so far? Are you guys all playing safe? This market is definitely very tough today. Lots of big moves, and I am trying to settle down. I went two down. I went two down. I went two down, and then what else? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 up and 2 down. So far. So I also had another $800 of profits on one of my pro accounts. So I guess I'm gonna be requesting another payout today. Man, what a struggle though, overall. You know, overall it's a bit of a struggle. I still have to trade some Apex accounts that obviously is gonna count as a day. So I'm looking to trade for about $50. So let's start the day, guys. We are breaking underneath the EMA here, a big level of support. We are breaking down. We are pretty oversold though from an RSI standpoint, right? We're kind of like in that 30s, so I don't know. Let's take a look at it again. So we have a little bit of a trend line that we gotta look at, and this is the one that we have. So we hit that resistance at 194, and we are getting that little bit of a pullback here. All right, guys. Man, it's gonna be tough for me to short right here at this level, 125. How did everybody do today? Full tilt futures, what up, man? 44, the Punisher. What is going on, y'all? What is going on, y'all? Near, just stand right in the house. Who is this gentleman? Yeah, all right, I want to quickly finish off my Apex accounts if I can. I'd like to. No, I should this. All right, I was gonna try and short this, but then obviously we have a little bit of a support at 120, so I'm gonna wait. All right, I'm gonna look for a short on this pop here. Let's see. We are getting a little bit of a bounce. Move that to 1.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right. I did trade. You guys can see my trades here. I did trade some accounts. I blew through these 2 accounts on a pullback, right? And it could not survive. I was at 4 mini contracts on that trade alone, so it could not survive, guys. So 2 down and up about 8 accounts, mixed between funded and eval accounts. I'm gonna have to buy some combines, to be honest. I do have to trade Top Step back again, so I'm gonna have to do some adjustments here this morning. So I want to just quickly get off my plate. Oh my god, I'm trading the wrong account. Just one second, guys. I'm trading the wrong account, so let's move back to something. All right, so here I am. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and short the pop here on a bounce back into the 147 and look for a target back down to the 100, guys. My stop is gonna be here, 167. No, man. Are we just gonna break down right now? Come on. Take me in with you, please. Jeez, guys. Difficult market today, I think. Yeah, it's a really difficult market. I mean, at least the nice thing is I had some small little payout request that I made yesterday that was like $400 through Take Profit Trader, and I did another one today. I hit $800 on my Take Profit Trader Pro account, so $845. So that's gonna be my daily payout too. It's kind of working out. I mean, that's the beautiful thing about Take Profit Trader is once you get above the buffer, the daily payout, it becomes very realistic. Oh my god, I'm just gonna hit that. There we go, guys. I'm gonna exit. All right, that's $58. That's really all I need, right? So there, 50 bucks. All right, guys, we are pulling back. This is a nasty looking pullback here, guys. Alright, guys, we are pulling back and my orders are getting filled as we speak. There we go. One more. Come on, hit it now. One more. That's it. 90 bucks right there. Alright, I don't think I need any more. That's it, guys. That's it. That's all I need. Maybe trade one more. That's gonna be so this one I'm gonna try and trade NQ because this is still far away from requesting a payout. So wow, what a pullback here. Nasty. Wow. Whoa. That kind of hurts. All right, guys. We are... Hold on one second, guys. I may have to trade MNQ. Continue trading MNQ for now. With this sort of volatility. We'll trade one more year. Oh my god, this is scary. All right, guys. I'm in with one. Let's see. We may try to retest the low here. I think we will. We may pull back here back into the 980. All right. Oh. All right, let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Back into the 60s. Oh my god, guys, I knew it. That's why I said, okay, hey man, I better trade MNQ for now. This looks pretty dumpy, guys. I don't know if I want to be yeah, we could see a pullback all the way down into the 960s as well. I'm down a lot on this right here right now. This could be an easy 60 points, another 60 points pullback here, guys. Be careful if you guys are trading. I'm just in one micro for now. We could, yeah, it's 960 and then we could get it down to like 840s as well. If we can hold this level, this is a huge psychological level too. $25,000. I think we break $25,000 at some point today. I think. What do you guys see? Good morning. What is up, Nomad Trades? Yeah, I think we break underneath the 25 today. I think that's what it's gonna try and do. I'm gonna try to exit this, guys. That's a lot of selling pressure stepping in. So I'm gonna try and wow, look at this, man. I don't know what to do. It's gonna be hard to make out. Everything is dumping. Well, we are back down to $25,000 here. Yeah, I wouldn't want to try and long. Sorry, long or short both right here at this level. We are kind of like in that discounted price. 25,000 is obviously a big psychological level. We are pretty oversold, pretty aggressively oversold right now. In the 10s RSI, that's really oversold. ATR is what, at 20 now? Or is it 50? Actually, it's more than that. On a 30 minutes chart, it's telling me ATR like 60 or something like that. All right, that's a nice little bounce off that $25,000, but I think at some point I think we break down. I'm gonna try and short this, guys. I'm gonna look to short this. Wow, look at this, guys. This is unreal. All right, let's see if we get a bounce back up again. I think I'm almost better off just try to short on a pop here than trying to go long and then, you know, get smacked with the flush down. So we could get a bounce back up again into these levels that where my limit orders are. I'm with 1 micro right now. Look, 1 micro is also getting me like negative $30. So that's a lot of yeah, that's a lot for 1 micro. Incredible. Mostly because it started, the bounce algos are too fast. I know, man. That was like, how many points bounce was that? That's literally about, oh man, look at that bounce, man. That's like 100 points bounce and 200 points pullback, then 200 points bounce and 300 points, sorry, 100 points pullback. It is? Actually, no, I lied. 130 points pullback. Incredible, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try and short on a bounce, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of thinking better off just try to short this market on a bounce. Oh. Yeah, I'm just getting ready to load in some top step accounts because I've got to get back. I need to have 5 express accounts by November, starting November, right? And I also cannot afford to lose combines, so I'm gonna have to take the combines very seriously. I don't know. I'm gonna have to pass all 5 once to get all the 5. You know, a lot of work to do here, guys. I've got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta reload. I've gotta reset the funding ticks account that I lost today. Incredible. Pissed me off, but yeah, I've gotta reset these 2 accounts. I hit that max loss here, $2,000. Incredible. All right, guys, I'm down. Oh yeah, it's definitely a tough morning. I can absolutely certainly tell you. Right? It's a tough morning, but you know, we're gonna get through this. All of us, including me and my fellow traders. I'm looking to short, man. I'm looking to short. I just need some more conviction that we are gonna pull back from here. All right, guys, 1 second.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
All right, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Give it to me, hon.
Order
All right, guys, down to 2 now. Back to break even. Holy mochaccino.
Order submitted.
Place my stop here. Stop at the break even.
Canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. I'm stopping my break even. All right, guys. I'm gonna look for a pullback down. Let's see if we get it, guys. I just need 1 flush to get my $50 that I need. Come on. Yeah, I placed my stop at the break even, so if we get a bounce, then I get stopped out right there, which is fine. All right, guys, I got stopped out there.
Order filled.
Free reload.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, that was it. Ah! All right, any more? Dang, guys, that was a. What a nasty pullback here, guys. Hold on 1 second. Wow, man, this thing doesn't stop, guys. I think we are retesting the $25,000. That's a big psychological level. I think we flushed through that. So I'm gonna look to. Oh, it's gonna go without me now. It's gonna go without me now.
Order submitted.
Are we gonna go without me now? Stock Tiger.
Order filled.
All right. And that's a big psychological level, right? So. All right, give me a little bounce and then flush down. Wow. Yeah, gotta be careful, guys. You gotta be very strategic in your trades with your accounts to survive this volatility, right? So right now, you see me, I'm trading micros because I'm trading on accounts that really matters, right? Right now. Like, there's no reason for me to risk the whole entire account, right? To try and, I don't know, to try and make what, couple $100. I might as well be conservative in my trades. You're still making quite a bit, you know, with even with 3 or 4 micros. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna look for a bounce in the pop or what now. All right, guys, let's see if we get a little bounce back up again.
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. We are getting a little bit of a bounce back up again. I kind of feel like this could be short-lived too. So I think we crack underneath the. I think we crack underneath the 25, or maybe we try to bounce before we do that.
Order filled.
All right, guys, that's a pretty aggressive bounce.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh no. And that's it. I don't think I can add any more, to be honest, at this point. I'm gonna have my hard stop here.
Order submitted.
78, guys. 78. Right, here we go. That's where my hard stop is right now. I don't think I can go anything beyond that, to be honest. So, because if you try to get above this 75, 78, I think we could see a bounce, right? So. In this market, I mean, $100, $200, even full $500, it's pretty easy, right? So I'm not panicking with $300 loss or $200 loss. It's gonna bound to happen. I just want to make sure I'm on the right side of my trades. So right now, my idea was try to short on a pop, right? Maybe a little bit too early right here at 24, but we're getting a bounce. I hope this bounce isn't gonna be something like that. And just in case we do, I've placed my hard stop here, so I'm gonna add to my position right here, guys, as well. I'm on a 1 minute chart right here, guys. 1 minute chart. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna have to move that to like 150 ticks. I don't know why it's a 1 minute chart. That looks like a nice little bounce, but oh. Alright guys, 10 contracts. I'm gonna have to exit this. If we get a reversal here, we get a bounce back up again, then I'm gonna have to exit this trade right now. If not, then I am going to take my profit. If we get a pullback here, guys, if we get a pullback here, that'll be nice. Give me that to me, hon. Let's go, baby. Come on. Woo! All right, guys. I think that kind of played out pretty well. I like that. All right, guys. I'm exiting that trade right there. 100. Wow, just 100 somewhat dollars. Nothing really too biggie, you know. I'm trying to reload on a short here again. And I'm gonna place. Yeah, looks dumpy, guys. Let me just hold this, guys. Two micro. Take one off the table right at the initial low, and look for a target back down into the 980, guys. Nice, nice. I'm gonna take one off the table. I'm down to one now, guys. Down to one. I may exit this. Oh, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even here right now.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, I got stopped out there, guys. I got stopped out, which is fine. I'm gonna exit this trade now. I'm gonna have to move on to something else. I traded my XFA, sorry, not XFA, my take profit trader accounts. I traded all my Apex accounts, so I don't think I'm gonna be trading these today. All for $50 to $100. That was the goal. I guess I made a little more than I need, so that's fine there. I really had to find a way to trade carefully with Apex accounts, and because I got some big payouts that I will be requesting the next 5 days, right before the month closes. 246, 8,000, 246, yeah, 246. I've got Rhythmic accounts that I've got to trade that too. God, I've got to trade the Rhythmic accounts. Look at that, man. What a perfect timing to exit my trade. All right, now let's try to see what I should do. Okay. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? We get a bounce. $25,000, $3. 25, $3. Sorry, $25,000, $3 is where we tap today. That's the low. Congrats, NQ, for doing that. Incredible. All right, this is getting very exciting. I don't know, man. I had quite a few damage on my funding ticks accounts. I don't know how, but it was difficult. It was difficult. Sorry, guys. A little bit of disappointment, everybody. But at least, hey, man, I'm trying. Hey, what was the discount code on that Top Step, guys? I need some combines. I gotta get to 5 XFA accounts. No word something. No word 40 or something like that. Let me just see. No word. Onward. Onward. Thank you, guys. You guys are the #1 reason Stock Tiger is here every day. Thank you so much. Yeah, you know what? I'm cheap, so I'm kind of thinking about getting the 150s. But then you know what? The 150s though, the thing is, it's hard to trade the 150s. You know what I mean? Like if you do the math, in order to get to a payout, I kind of feel like 150s versus 50Ks. I feel the 50Ks are a lot better. Like in a way, you can get into more payouts much faster. And at the end of the day, just because you got more drawdown, I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Maybe you guys let me know. I need a discount for 5. I'm not interested in 1. Come on, you can't be doing that to me. Onward 40 has got to give me 5 promo. Ugh. All right, guys. What am I supposed to do? I know a lot of you trade 150s. I'm like, you know what? Wow, man. I don't know. Is it better? You guys think? I mean, ultimately for me, it's not about getting more drawdown. It's about how quickly can I get to a payout. You know what I mean? And that's really the bottom line of the story. I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong, but MRC trades, what's much better? The 50s or 150s? More wiggle room, but yeah, more wiggle room is fine. But the thing is, right? The thing is, it's the payout, right? It's the payout. I don't know. Anyways, guys. Wow. What a battle here, guys. At least the good note, on a good note, guys, today is that I've got another take profit trader payout coming in, $800, $840. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. I wish there was a little bit of a stat, you know, that kind of shows you what account actually got paid the most. In my opinion, that's the great thing about funding ticks, right? Funding ticks actually shows you how much and on what instrument and what account size actually people got paid out the most. I'm almost kind of thinking maybe 50K could beat much more payouts than 150s, even though you could end up holding your account for much longer on 150s. I kind of feel like, you know, the payout standpoint, I think they probably get more on the 150Ks. But again, I mean, I could be wrong as well. But good morning, J Min in the house, man. How's it going, J Min? How's your futures network, funded futures network going? Exhibition stage, god damn it! I want my funded accounts. MRC trades, what up, man? I wonder what the gold is doing. Oh dear, I can't even see gold. I was like here. I was like looking at this gold. I'm like, where's the gold? All right, gold is down in the 40-50, guys. Incredible. All right, back to NQ. This, I don't know, man. The market, overall market does not look very good, to be honest, man. It looks like it wants to. This could be a chance for us to try and short the pop. Probably a better way to do this, you know. Get an upgrade for $1 on my trading view, guys. I'm tempted to accept the offer. Time to make the math work for you. We've got an offer. 1 month of upgraded features for $1 on my trading view. Yeah, I'll decline for now. Screw you, trading view. Screw you the moment. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. All right, I'm looking at my trading view. ES is down 0.5%. Let's just try to grasp, you know, the bigger picture story, overall market. Oh wow, Nikkei is actually moving. Wow. Let's take a look at DXY as well. DXY pulling back. Well, kind of choppy. Nothing really there. The VIX got back into the $19. We could see the VIX move to the upside or what now? We got a big level of resistance on VIX. I don't know, man. It's kind of like, I don't know. It could be 50-50 at this point. Either we get a bounce or we get a pullback. It could be anybody's guess at this point. US oil up a little bit, SPY down, QQQ down, double top on SPY 612. IWM down much more obviously than the QQQ. Let's take a look at the banks. I'm quite interested to know how the banks are doing. Well, the banks are kind of okay. Technology stocks are doing well. Just one, well, nothing really too crazy to be honest, guys. Not as bad. Like Apple down only about 1.5%. Wow, guys. Apple sitting at $258, man. The last time I checked, Apple was like 210, 220. Incredible. Acting like a small cap stock, man. Incredible. Netflix. Tesla down only, wow, just 1.5, a little less than $2, right? So Netflix is only down, like Netflix is actually down the most. I think maybe Netflix is kind of giving a lot of pressure in this overall market. I think the Bitcoin up a little bit, the small caps are kind of pulling back pretty aggressively. Coinbase is pulling back here. We got earnings in Coinbase at the end of the month, but 6.5% down Coinbase. ARK Holding down about 4.5. SoFi down. The fintechs are down as well. AMD down 3.5, but still $230. Okay, let's get back into our trading, guys. So let's take a look, guys. We are getting a little bit of a bounce back in this market. I've now traded all my Apex accounts, so I'm not gonna. Well, I've still got to trade my Apex on my Rhythmic. I haven't traded that, and I also have to trade my FDS as well. Man, I need like a couple phones myself. Really having a hard time trying to trade on my phone. Like, I need like a couple phones to have different connections. Anyways, guys. All right, guys, that's a nice, beautiful balance. We are coming back up again, so maybe that could be the short-term bottom here for now. Not bad. I mean, that's a. I don't know. Let's try to draw that line there. Oh, by the way, this is on my 1-minute chart. I need to move that to the ticks. 150 ticks, guys. No. Let's just move that to 1 minute. All right, there we go. We're trying to get a bounce back up again, guys. This, do you have Fibonacci as well here? Yeah, that's the Fibonacci. Right at the top in the trough. So 50% retrace back up and it will be the 140s. I don't know. Guys, I kind of like this. I kind of like shorting this market. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I'll try to go long on a pullback into the 70s, right? So I'm trading the micro for now. All right. Oh man, look at that bounce. Yeah, it's tricky. The 30-minute chart tells me we are kind of like hitting that resistance here at 120, so I'm gonna have to wait. I want to see if we can actually hold this, right? I prefer a setup to look something like that, you know, like pull back down into this 70s, try to bounce, pull back down, and then eventually break out. But not right now, you know what I mean? Give me a little pullback down, and then try to hold the 70s, and we try to get a bounce back up again. Essentially the breakout, right? We may do that right here, right now too, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Wow, but that's a nice, beautiful bounce off that low, 25,000. But again, I mean, that could easily be shorting opportunity. You guys seen this? bounce into the 180 and pull back all the way back into $20,000. Wow, man. Let me just take a look and see how much the 150K account is on. You know, I kind of like the 100K as well. You know, the 100K top step. That seems reasonable in my opinion. Yeah, that's the problem. I agree, Michelle. But you know what? It's very important that we as a prop firm trader, we've always, like, me personally, I kind of feel like I've always got to have a top step. I didn't trade the top step for a couple weeks now, but I think it's important I have top step in my portfolio. This is how we do it. Okay, so we are getting a bounce. 150 with discount is like 90-ish, but their activation fee is kind of expensive. Top step still industry leader in my opinion, Jonathan. One of the industry leader, I think, yeah. But oh, we are getting a bounce. Oh man, we are breaking out, guys. We are breaking out. What am I gonna do? I like the 30 minutes chart, right? I kind of feel like we still have some more room, like to 140. I'm looking for a pullback down here, guys. Oh, that's 2 contracts. Holy mochino. That was all right.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
So here we are.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, let's see what comes first. Either we get a pullback down into the 94s and then get a bounce from there and hit my TPs along the way into the 150s, or if we get a pullback here and that doesn't hold and we pull back all the way down to 60s and I get stopped out there. I've also got my SL too, so that's right. I will load in some I'll load in 5 combines and then I wouldn't activate any of them. $150K activation, so yeah, that's a long list to go. Yeah, I probably am better off just sticking to the 50Ks, to be honest. All right, guys, we are getting that pullback here. I like to see this thing bounce off that 90s, guys.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like the fact that I'm trying to trade at this very big level here. You know, this is an area where bulls and bears can actually end up taking control too, right? We're right at the pivot, right at the edge. I'm kind of playing with the fire right now at this point, at the wrong place, but and that's why I've only got 4 contracts. I'm really looking for 150 bucks or $200 at most. So we'll look to see if we can actually get that. If not, then I probably exit my trade. You know what? I'm gonna try and cancel this right now.
Canceled.
I'm gonna place my hard stop here. It's risky. Yeah, absolutely risky for sure.
Order submitted.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Order failed. Order canceled.
There we go, guys. It got filled. I'm just looking for 150 bucks or more on this trade. And that's it. Down to 2. Down to 2 or down. Oh, there we go. Alright, guys.
Order canceled.
Place my stop now, break even. I'm looking for that last little move here. I don't know, man. Alright, guys. I exited that trade. Yeah, man, it's hard. It's hard. I'm kind of trying to get into a trade at the wrong spot, right? Right at the wrong spot. But you know, this could go. That's the point I was trying to make. Yeah, we could see this thing pull back into the 90s as well. Just trying to be a little patient, guys. Just trying to be a little patient. In the meanwhile, onward 40. Onward 40. See the discount, 30 bucks. There we go. I agree. All right.
Order failed.
Oh shit.
Order
filled.
Order failed.
filled.
Order submit. Order failed. Order failed.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
filled.
Order failed.
filled.
Order canceled.
Bulanox, yeah, I did get a payout. Bulanox, yeah, I did. Alright, guys, I just need 150 bucks, man. That's all really I need. Let's try to take one more.
Order failed.
Alright, guys, back up again. One last piece.
Order submitted.
One last piece. Let's get it up to the 114 so I can call. Come on.
Order
Order
failed.
filled.
Order
Order
failed.
filled.
Order submitted.
Hit it! Come on!
Order failed.
Order filled.
Hit it now! Jeez, guys. Incredible. Incredible battle here right now. I'm playing with the fire. I shouldn't be trading this this area, this level, to be honest. I really shouldn't be. This could just literally dump, like right here. right? Or we rip. We're kind of like in that point of control. The Bulls and the Bears are all like battling in the zone. And I'm like longing, shorting. What the hell are you trying to do, Stock Tiger? Step back. All right, guys. Absolutely the wrong place to be honest, man. I gotta be. Let's see if we can actually end the holding this though.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Holy smokes, man. This price action is just horrible. All right, guys. I'm gonna exit that trade right there. No point. No point. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna wait till it actually ends up breaking, or break out or break down. One of the two. There you go, guys. That's a little bit of a breakdown. I know we.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
No.
Order filled.
Ah, dang, guys. I knew it. That was it. That was it. I've gotta find a way to come back on this.
Order filled.
Order Bonus field.
Order
Bonus
filled.
field.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Bonus field.
Order
Bonus
filled.
field.
Order submitted. Order
Bonus
filled.
field.
Order submitted.
Bulox payouts are, they do it every Tuesday or Wednesday. So if you requested a payout on Friday, for example, they're gonna approve you on Tuesday, I think, and then they give you. It only takes about a day or two to get to your account after getting approved, right? I don't even know if they actually tell you it's approved. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce back up again. Fuck my god, look at that bounce, guys. Incredible. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Bonus field.
Order submitted. Order
Bonus
filled.
field.
There we go. Oh well, at least one got filled. Jeez, guys. Really struggling to get this thing going here. Looks like we are trying to hold this, guys. I think we are trying to hold this area, $25,000. 75. I think we are trying to hold this. Right? Now the question is, are we going to break it to the downside, or are we just going to keep moving here to the upside, right? So... let's see, guys. If we can get above 100, I think yeah, this is gonna look golden for the longs. But again, I'm playing with the fire once again right at this level, to be honest, but we'll see. And I guess I'm playing with the wrong account too. Jeez. All right, so we are at 81. Let's see what happens now. We break it to the downside, or we flush it down, or do we hold this and we try to break it to the upside? One of the two. Get above the 100, we are pretty bullish. Yeah. So far it's kind of like chopping in that range. I think we may get some pretty aggressive either sell off or a big bounce, right? They will deduct your account, yeah. Corey, Apex and Take Profit at least let you know. I think Billionaires is a little bit more manual, to be honest. Corey, I think just shoot an email over to them. They're gonna respond like. At least the great thing about Billionaires is that they respond pretty quick, right? They don't really take a lot of time to respond back to you. So, and then that way you can understand how this process actually end up working. Usually it's Tuesday, Wednesday when they will get your payouts processed, right? So, all right, guys, this market we are trying to break it to the downside. We'll see, guys. Let's try to see if we retest the low here. Let's see if we retest the low here, guys. The low here is 60. Or do we get a bounce? Do we get a bounce and go? So far, I'm leaning more. So far, it looks like we are trying to pull back here down. We'll see. This is a very risky trade I'm taking right now, guys. Now let's see if we can actually pull back underneath the 60. That's going to be crucial now. Right here, 60. If that level doesn't hold, then I think we flush it down really fast, down into the 50s, but... All right, we are pooping right now, back down again, retesting the low here. I'm gonna try and exit this trade. I'm trying to exit my trade here. One more flush down, guys. One more flush and I'm out. I'm out. One more flush. Come on, just give it to me, hun. Let's go, baby. Break it down now. Come on, let's go. Woo! That was pretty close, man. Wow. Damn, that was tough. Tell you that much. That was so tough, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Stock Tiger play with fire. Incredible. That was a pretty good one. That was a tough one. It was a tough one, I tell you that much. Oh my god. I gotta oh yeah. I just need $50 more, so I'm just gonna step in with the micros, right? Sometimes you gotta do it, guys. Sometimes you gotta take a stab, and I did that because I was kind of down quite a bit, and in order to get it back, I had to trade with NQ. That's why it's kind of like, you know, that's where you guys see me. I trade NQ back and forth in MNQ as well, for a purpose and for a reason, right? I don't just randomly just go trade NQ and all of a sudden just flip back to MNQ. Now I only need about $50 more on this trade, so I'm just gonna go with MNQ. Honestly, man, I don't like this to the upside. I kind of feel like we got some more room to the down, but I'm gonna try and shut the pop here and put a hard stop here at the initial high.
Order submitted.
Hit it. There you go, guys. And then just need one more. All right, I'm gonna place my hard stop here. All right. And that was an aggressive volatility that we actually got in this market. So Hmm.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Guys, 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab some water. Oh man, I don't think I canceled my orders. Did I not do that? Oh my.
Order filled.
I guess I got a little lucky there, guys. That's really all I need now.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I just need it down. I think I have what I. All right, guys. I did the straight 160 bucks.
Order canceled.
Okay, so exited that trade there. All right, so I'm gonna have to reset my funding tick account. 1 second, guys. And I'm gonna have to trade that as well. AB, you're long right now, really? Well, I think both longs and the shorts can actually bank. Look at that pullback, guys. Pretty incredible, hey? Look at that. Wow. Pretty aggressive sell-off here, guys. That's a pretty aggressive one. Man, we are gonna go back to 25. Damn it. Alright, so far I'm kind of like safe. I'm gonna have to trade some accounts, new accounts, I guess, right now. At least, thank God, man. I banked $800 profit, so. Oh yeah, $800 take profit trader. I'll be requesting that tonight, and then also $1,000 from funding ticks too. So hold on 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. Be patient, everybody. I will be trading. I just need to make some adjustments with. Yeah, it's tough, man. I've been scrambling, as you guys know. I've been really scrambling, but somehow I'm trying to find a way to get payouts. And during that process of going through the turbulence. All right, so we are getting that pullback here. Not a bad day, other than losing a couple accounts. Wow, what a nasty pullback here, man. Stock Tiger, you missed that move while you're trying to process something. Well, hey guys, if you guys want to support the stream, please do not forget, you know what, to smack the likes, everyone. Thank you so much. Hold on, guys. I'm where's my funding ticks accounts? The cheapest one, I think the cheapest one right now is to either reset your Lucid account or get a new funding ticks account. Funding ticks is probably the cheapest one, I think. Funding ticks is like $55 on a reset, so it's not a difficult thing. I'm just waiting for them to come up with a better offer, to be honest, on funding ticks. But oh man, look at this! Wow, look at this bounce. I can't go long because I don't have the account to go long. I'm just trying to set up some accounts with the 1 second, guys. 37. Too bad I missed that move, which is fine, not the end of the world. How is everyone doing today, this morning, guys? Are you all kind of surviving today? Oh, it's not an easy day. Absolutely, I agree. Not an easy day. There's no way we should be trading more than 5 micros in this environment. I agree. I agree. Unless you're kind of like trying to scalp. Like micro scalp is fine, but even then it's gonna be hard, right? Your account's gonna blow. And that's what happened to me this morning. But at least on accounts that really matters, I was okay, so. There we go. See, we are getting that pullback here, which isn't fun. But I guess sometimes probably just better off take a little step back and don't try to chase the market. I'm getting better at it. You know what I mean? You guys know I also like to chase. Chase meaning, you know, it's not really a chase in a bad term. It's chase, but it's really a momentum trade, right? You're trying to get into a momentum trade. You know, I love momentum trades, but those momentum trades has been a lot of fakes as well. So when there's a fake, then ultimately, you know, we say it's chase, right? But if you win, then it's momentum. But if you lose, then it's a chase. That's how it works in this game, unfortunately. What is going on, Matt? What up? Oh, and I forgot to call out that I'm live on YouTube. Shame on you, Stock Tiger. Yeah, I completely forgot to let everybody know I went live. During New York streaming, I like to make it a little quiet, you know what I mean? Like, not call out. That's usually what I like to do during New York. It's a little different to Asia, to be honest. Asia, it's a lot more entertainment, but during New York, because the market is so volatile, it's really hard to kind of like focus on both chat and the streaming and trading at the same time. So, but anyways, guys, thank you all of you for being here. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much. Great to see y'all back again. I'm just going to refresh this chart right now. And then there we go. So I went down on those accounts. I've got to restart trading these level. What's this chart levels? I mean, pretty straightforward, to be honest. That's the trend line there I drew, right? If you just take a look. Oh shoot. What did I do? Whew. So that's the Fibonacci that I have. Those levels, the channel, and then you have this little trend line, right? Trend line and the channel support and Fibonacci as well, both. Right, just take a look. Actually, you know what? What did I do here? Wow, look at this market, guys. Holy mochaccino, guys. What is going on? Wow! Oh, man. Where's my chart? I can't see my chart, guys. What is up with this chart? Oh, my God. Anyways, whatever. Damn it. Guys, what is up, everybody? Be careful, guys, because you're trading this morning. Holy mochaccino. This is unreal. We just broke underneath. Forget this. Wow. Breaking underneath this channel, guys, too. Wow. Just with micros, I cannot go to NQ. I want to trade NQ, but I can't because this chart is all messed up. So I'm sticking to the micro for now. But I'm still banking. It's still making profits. Alright, guys. Not bad trade. Not a bad trade. Wow, that's an insane, guys. We just pulled back into the 25K, guys. That's pretty significant. Let's see if we get a bounce now. Are we gonna get back into 25K? It's gonna be hard to say, to be honest. But are we just gonna bounce all the way back up again too? And that's also another $1 million question. I don't think that's the case, to be honest, too. Alright, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade. Is my ninja working or what? No, it's not. I don't think it's working. Hold on 1 second, guys. Just 1 second, guys. I think I've lost some connection here. So I've got to fix that first. Oh dear.
Order filled.
There we go. Now it's working.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
There we go. Yeah, I've just got to be really careful, guys. We are trying to go back into the $25,000, obviously. Oh, my computer. Oh, I thought it froze against me. So we are just kissing that $25,000, guys. That's a big psychological level. We are trying to retest the level now. And are we going to be able to hold that? It's that's a tough one. Yeah, it's really tough. The market is very volatile, guys. Look at this, man. 100 points, 150 points pullback, and 100 points bounce. Incredible. Market, I raise my hands. You are the winner. Yeah, I have to choose the reset from Lucid because all my accounts are gone on Lucid, for exception one. I almost think the reset's probably a better choice, in my opinion. I could be, I mean, really depends on your situation though, but I guess. I don't know. You know what? I don't even want to think about Project X for now. Uh-oh, guys. I think my computer just froze on me. Looks like my computer just freezing against me. Is that what it is? Uh-oh, I better be careful, guys. My computer is just definitely not okay right now. Absolutely not okay. I've got to shut off some stuff I don't need. Like, for example, this one, I better shut it off. Wow, everything is red, eh? There's nothing that's green today. Everything is just literally red, red, red. All the way, guys. Lots of red. But you know what, guys? This could turn into all green too pretty quickly without you even knowing. But let's just take a look at certain stocks here. BYND. Beyond Meat, guys. Wow. $7 down to $3. Incredible. You've got to be flipping. All right, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh my god. What a perfect timing.
Order filled.
Man, it's the weirdest price action right now, guys. Be careful, you guys are trading this morning. Holy mochino. All right. Wow. Huh. Say hello. You want to say hello to everybody? Hey, hello. Say hello. Say hello. You have to say hello. You're here now, so you have to say hello. Come on. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. It's okay. It's right there. It's right. Say hello. Hi. Hi. My name is Stock Lion, and I don't know how to day trade, but I know how to bark all day. That's my hobby. I love barking. That's what I do all day. And my name is Stock Lion. Thank you for hopping in. Guys, don't forget to smash that like. Smash that like truly means a lot for the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's go. Go down now. I've got a trade. All right, everybody. Back to trading station again. When it was up 100%, a friend shorter beyond mid at open. Oh, really? He was shorting beyond mid at the open? Wow. Shorting beyond mid at the open, guys. That's crazy. Beyond mid crushed today. 100% down. Incredible. The new China export controls under consideration by the US could curb exports on wide range of goods to China. Fed lost access to private jobs data ahead of government shutdown. Wow. Wow. Is that a surprise to me? Absolutely not, sir. Incredible. All right, time for more trades now. All right, some more actions. We gotta get something going here, guys. I don't like this at all, man. Right now, look at this. We are in that chop world. Like, we have to get this thing going. Either we break out of this, or we just continue pulling back here. We are struggling to get above the $25,000, guys. That's a big psychological level, as you guys know. It's gonna be tough, guys. It's gonna be tough market to trade. Now, if we break underneath this now, this is gonna be another big fat rejection there and a pullback continuation down into obviously the 860s. Ooh, baby. Yeah, this price action definitely sucks. I agree. But I've got to trade more. I still got a long ways to go. I've got to do a lot of trading right now. I'll be honest. Guys, we are breaking down, or are we gonna break out? I think this is trying to break down, guys.
Order fell.
Maybe I'll try to short this, guys. I think we try to retest the low. We're breaking down, guys. This is going to be crucial that we hold. If we can't hold this, then I think we break it down. Retest the low. Okay. I'm going to try and short this on a bounce, guys.
Order submitted.
I think we push it down, but I want to try and short the pop, right? That's what I'm gonna try and do. Wow. Yeah, I think we break it down at some point, right? It's a low high so far from all the way from that 277.
Order filled.
There you go, guys. So one got triggered. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough market. Tell you that much. Oh, and I've got to trade Top Step 2. Incredible, guys. Um All right, guys, 1 second. We are getting a little bounce. It looks like it's change. Hold on. I wonder if you're gonna hold though. I wonder if we are gonna hold this. This is gonna be a such huge level right here, right? That we got rejection off from. So that 25,030, of course. This market looks like it wants to get a little bit of a bounce back up again, guys. So I may have to exit this trade right here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try and long this.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Wow. Whoa, what was that, guys? Damn. Hold on. What the heck was that? Oh my god. Yeah, what a bat wick there. Still like it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order now filled. Order now filled. Order now filled. Order now.
Alright, we'll try to call it back up, King.
Order submitted. Order now filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Holy mochaccino. You've got to be flipping my juju here. Wow. I guess I'm gonna add one more.
Order submitted.
Come on, hit it, hit it. No! Hit it there, you damn it. Come on, bring it down. I went short, I added. Hit it! Come on! Hit it now! No! You've got to be kidding, guys, man. Incredible. Holy mochaccino. Hit it!
Order.
There we go. Holy. Whoa! Bring it down! Let's go back to 964! Oh my. Alright, guys. This is definitely getting very exciting here. Alright, guys. 964. Next 970, guys. 974. My target. Actually, you know what? Now I'm going to bring it down further. Back into the 960s, guys. Let's see. Well, I'm just going to leave it there for now. We'll see what happens. Holy man, that was what a move. That really did not take a lot of time, guys. A blink of an eye, just boop. Blink of an eye, like 40, 50 points right there in a matter of few seconds. It's pretty quick one. This 100 points tick is actually pretty good. I like it. Wow, crazy, crazy. Hey guys, Apex 80% off is back again, guys. Apex 80% off is back. FYI, everybody, if you guys are trading Apex, $85 lifetime activation. Cuckoo! I guess what a perfect timing when Project X is down. So I think they kind of got into, what do you call this? They took advantage, right? Because nobody can trade. Oh yeah, let me just let everybody know on our Discord too. Wow, look at that pullback, guys. I'm back. Here, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm gonna hold this right now. Hey, JC, thanks, man. I appreciate it so much. You guys know how much I appreciate you guys using my code. Once again, guys, Apex 80% is back again. Okidori, 978. Thank you so much once again, Jesse. And thank you, everybody. I know Jamin does too. I wonder if Jamin is still here. But guys, man, let's pull back. I'm going to be looking for a pullback here now. Let's see if we do that. One more flush down is all I really need. Let's make it happen, guys. Let's just make it happen. Wow, look at that dumpage, guys. Look at that move. Wow, look at this. Holy. Wow, are we going to pull back, try to retest the 950s? That's the initial low. And that's the low of the, was it low? I think that's the low of New York. That's the low of New York, guys. I think we retested 956 or what now? Oh, baby. Oh, dear. I think we're going to grab another liquidity here. We're going to grab another liquidity to flush it down. All right, guys. I'm short again. I added one more. I hope I don't get cooked on this bad boy. On this bad trade. Jamin in the house, man. You are here, baby. I love it, Jamin. Thank you so much, man. Oh, by the way, Jamin, do you trade? Do you trade with Tradeify? Oh, guys, one got triggered. Damn it! Nice, I like that. All right, I'm back to break even on this trade. On this, you guys know I was down $1,400. You guys know that, right? You guys seen that? Everybody's seen that. I'm back. Holy mochaccino, guys! Look at this pullback here. I'm gonna leave it at what, 920, 930. Let's put it at 140, guys. We could flush it down now. Holy man! Wow, 966. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if the pullback is over yet. To be honest, man, this is a pretty nasty rejection off that high. Pretty bad rejection off that 37 as well. Incredible, guys. I think we have one more flush down before we make a move to the upside. I added one more on that top. So like I said again, I try to short this bounce. I added one more and we flushed it down. I took my profits and I've got this last piece into this table. Well, I kind of like what I see, but oh man, we actually got a bounce off that 955. But I don't think that's going to hold though. Look at this 30 minutes chart, guys. Pretty nasty looking chart. 1.5% down overall. That's like 300 points pullback here in the overall NQ. I wonder what the ES is doing. I don't really have ES chart anymore on my screen for some reason. Maybe I should have this ES chart back up again. Any reason why it's pulling back? Well, Could be a lot of reasons. A combination of a lot of things. I think it's probably one of the bigger ones is probably the tariff and the government shutdown extension. See, like I said again, government shutdown. I mean, if it was gonna be lasting about a couple of weeks, that was fine. But then the more and more we kept extending, and you know, employees not getting their paycheck, obviously it's gonna be a bigger problem, right? And I think we're starting to get that. Tariff, shutdown, Fed chair, the Fed news about not having control over the labor report is another problem. And I think some related to Trump administration considering a plan to restrict globally produced exports to China. Well, yeah, there's a lot of bad news coming out right now, all at the same time. I guess that's the reason. But you know what? To be quite honest with you, we're really only down about 1.5%. That's really nothing compared to how much we've actually bounced, right? Don't forget, guys. We are getting this pullback here. It's only 1.5%. Not a big... It's not the end of the world, guys. To be honest. We've... the market, right? You guys know. It's nothing. Let's not panic. Yeah, some kind of pullback was definitely due. I mean, we can't just keep moving one-sided, right? The market has to take some little bit of a breather, if you will. But I think we're getting that right here, right now. I don't know if this... but you know what? That's a big psychological level. At $25,000, we actually hit that ceiling there. We got a rejection there. We're getting a pullback now. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to hold this. We really better hold. This is a descending wedge that we're getting right here. If we can hold this, then I think we flush it really badly back into 860s, I think. Right? So we are here now. I'm back in green. Holy mochaccino. I think we could keep moving here. We could keep moving here, guys. I'm still holding this. I'm still holding this. I'm gonna place my hard stop here at 9. I would say 966. That's where my hard stop is gonna be. But at least let me just try to hold that. Hold it through. Actually, you know what? I lied. 970. 970, guys. Oh my God! Look, it stopped me out at the break even. Wow. You see that? I knew it. Actually, you know what? That's a nice, beautiful descending wedge, to be honest. I entered again, guys. What is this? Holy cappuccino. I think tariff is probably the biggest one. Probably the biggest. Guys, today's a lot of fun, guys. Of what a volatility. I'm having a lot of fun here today. Of course. And it's fun so far. We're getting this little bit of a rejection there again. The descending wedge is not holding. How are you guys trading so far today? Are you guys all doing well? So far, I'm doing okay, I think. I banked $850 on my Take Profit Trader Pro account, so I will be requesting another payout today. It's a small amount, I mean, but you know, all these things add up, you know what I mean? All these things add up. At a time when I'm really struggling to get payout in the last 10 days, I'm going to be using Take Profit Trader as a daily payout. Wow, look at this, guys. I did that trade. Holy mochaccino. This could be the double bottom here, guys. We could see a little bit of a bounce back up again. Is that what it is? I would love to, oh man, look at that bounce, guys. You gotta be kidding, guys. I like it. I like it. We are getting a bounce back up again. I want to show this bad boy. I showed it right now, guys. And my stop is gonna be here at 995. I'm adding one more. I've added one more here, guys. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. All right, guys. What a trade. You guys seen that? Wow, man. Incredible. All right, guys. My final take profit down into the 950s, guys. And my stop here is going to be at 992. And I'm going to try and add one more here as well. Just in case we get a bounce, I'm gonna try that one more. Back into the EMA here, 980, guys. Wow, it's pretty big. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stock Tiger in trouble now. Do not come near me. Do not come near me now. Damn it. Oh, shit, guys. I could be in trouble now.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, what am I doing?
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
This could be a bounce. This could be a bounce, guys. I better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger in trouble. I better take one more off the table pretty quickly if I can actually get a little pullback here down. Come on. Bring it down. Damn it. Bring it down. You know you want to pull back here. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let's go. Oh. All right, guys. Holy, man. I'm going to leave at 1 now. Guys, I exit this trade. Holy. What a heartbreaking. Almost got a heart attack there, guys. Wow. What a fun day. I'm going to have to drink a lot of water now. I'm getting very dehydrated. I hope you guys are having fun. Wow. Yeah, what's the point in getting too stressed, guys? We're oh man, you damn it! Damn it! No! You little silly! Guys, look at that dump, man. I missed that. Absolutely missed that. I mean, that definitely caught me off guard. Oh well. But what a shame though. That was a nice, beautiful trade. All right, guys, this looks pretty bearish, guys, man. That bounce did not live, and we are getting that pullback here. Pretty nasty looking pullback here, to be honest. Right, we are constantly getting that pullback, and you know we could see this thing go all the way down, man. We could retest a low, right? Just keep in mind the 867 is where I think it's ultimately trying to target back down into that level. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, you know. Maybe we try to get a little bit of a bounce back up again from here. You know, I'm going to be trying to short this pop for sure. I'm going to try and pop short this pop again. We broke underneath this very important level now. Now, I don't know if we're going to be holding this too. Getting pretty interesting, guys. I'm going to try and pop short this pop. All right, not a bad day. I nuked 2 funding ticks accounts. That's eval though. I nuked 2 evals funding ticks earlier, and I had to reset those accounts. But after that, it's like all green so far. So we'll take it. You know, we'll take it. And hold on one second. I've got a payout to request on funding ticks too right now. I don't know if it's right now. Let me just take a look and see. Man, why am I so hungry? I want to get some McDonald's today. McDonald's. Mac. Sorry, guys. I get a little wild. Every little time to pray. Far away. No, I'm not gonna sing anymore. This is it. All right, so let's see. Guys, man, that's a pretty nasty pullback here. Incredible. I want to try and short this bad boy right here. Short this bad boy.
Order held. Order held. Order held. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I hope I don't get a bounce now. Now the stock tiger is now trying to short this bad boy right here. I think we still have some ways to go, man. That rejection there was pretty nasty. Yeah, we've got this level too. Yeah.
Order held.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, stock tiger. You may be in trouble. I still think we pull back, but again. I've got 8 contracts, so that's actually quite a lot. You're pretty oversold too, so I may have to exit the trade right here. There we go, damn it. That's not something I was looking for sure.
Order held.
Let's try to...
Order held.
Let me try to take a little step here. I may be wrong, but my last resort is going to be 9.55. I will exit my trade if we keep getting a bounce. 30 minutes chart looking pretty ugly, so I kind of feel like, you know, we get a rejection here. But again, well.
Order held. Order held. Order held.
God, man, you gotta be kidding, guys. It hit my entry and got a bounce off that level. We'll look for another one here, guys. We'll look for another one.
Order held. Order held.
Come on, hit it, baby.
Order
There we go, there we go. There we go.
Order held. Order held. Order held. Order held.
There we go.
Order held.
There we go. Push it down now. Let's go. Come on. Hit it. Let's go. Down. Into the 880s, guys. Let's punch this bad boy down into the slow.
Order held.
Alright, guys. We are pulling back here, which is great.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order held.
Let's go. Woo! Alfred Haywood in the house, man. Doo-doo-doo. How's it going, Alfred? Nicholas Long. Wow. That's scary. I wouldn't want a long right here, guys, man. Look at this. Look at this red. Everything is red. Beautiful red. Like stock tiger. All right, guys, we are trying to hold, but man, I think we get another one leg to the downside. I'm gonna try and hold this short, guys.
Order held.
All right, guys, down to 4 now. Sorry, down to 5.
Order held.
Go one more. Let's push it down. Let's try to see if we can hold this. All right, guys, I've got 4 contracts now. Let's just finish this off. I just need $1,000 and move on to the next. All right, guys, let's give me this freaking pullback all the way down, guys. Let's go, baby. Come on, 820. beautiful Tory trades trend line. It's kind of working out pretty nicely. So all the credits to Tory Trades. Thank you so much. Mucho gracias. Te amo, baby. Oh, it looks like we're trying to hold this. Is this what this market's trying to do now? I need a pullback, of course, but come on, baby. Come on, just give this pullback down. Bring it down. Let's go, baby. Come on. You know you want to pull back here. Down into the 860s. Yeah, I bought one Top Step Combine, but I haven't traded that just yet. Yeah, I'll get there. The market definitely very tough. So if you guys are trading, just be extremely careful, because if we were trying to go long all the way, and you get this big flush in this market, and that flush isn't, you know, just 10 points. It's really 60, 80 points minimum that we're talking about. So it's that really blows your account easily. So gotta be very careful now. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here again. We got a rejection of that 910. So let's see if we can actually get another push down. I think we're gonna retest the low here at 860, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, guys, let's just push it down. Just finish this thing off once and for all. I'm gonna take one more off the table right here, guys. Down to 2 now. And I'm gonna try, and if we get a pop here again, if we get a pop, that is, then I'm gonna try and short again. I think we gotta retest the low, guys. I think that's what it's trying to do, to be honest. I'm gonna stand a little bit. Oh my god. How's everybody doing today? All having a great day? Here's Johnny, you went down today. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Look what happened. Monica, how's your day? Did you trade something? All right, 895. I still like the idea of a little more pullback to do here, guys. I think down to the 860 is probably where it wants to get down to. It's incredible, guys. This market has been so incredible. Incredibly difficult as well. Yeah, All right, so we are tapping 880 now. I think we probably retest the 860, guys. I think that's what it's really trying to do. And I'm going to move back to, of course, something else after this trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I exited that trade.
Order canceled.
The thing about moving the chart back and forth between accounts and firms, it's like you got to draw this everything all over again. That's the thing that I hate the most, but I guess that's really nothing much I can do. I've got to live with it. And you know what? The trade of eight, obviously the trade of eight drawing is not easy. All right, guys, 867, right? That's really not that low of the day. But we are kind of approaching that level now. All right, so here we are. Let's take a look at this chart again. Like I said again, 867 is that low. We are trying to retest that level now. And I'm using NQ. Wrong side of the trade. Oh my god, yeah. Here's Johnny, man. It's really tough. Thank you guys for being here today. Thank you so much, everybody. Even though I'm not very active during New York, you know, every time I try, you guys are always there for me. So thank you once again for doing that. And that's a nice, beautiful bounce, guys. This looks like it wants to try to move. Wow, look at this, guys. Nasty. Every time we try to bounce, it's getting a pullback. Wow. Ah! Oh my god! It hit me! Damn it! What was that? Whoa! Yeah, pretty bearish, guys. Man, that was a difficult one. I made a couple of mistakes in my entries, so I ended up getting screwed up. But it's okay. That was a pretty wild. Yeah, I think we gotta pull back here. Yeah, I missed that completely. Ah, my god, I missed that entry too. Look at that, guys. Ha! You've got to be flipping. Oh my god. Stock Tiger. Wake up. Wake up, Stock Tiger. Damn it. All right, guys. I'm going to have to settle down here a little bit. Calm down. Regroup. And do it again. That was a beautiful entry, man. That would have been a beautiful, amazing entry. Wow. So pissed. Damn it, guys. Now it's hard to find like perfect entries, right? It's not easy. But look at this wild price action. Holy mochaccino. Let's try. Let's see if I can kiss the pullback here down. Let's see if I get a little lucky here. Oh man. Wow, like it's hitting my TP so quickly I can't even move, guys. I can't even move at all. Oh my god, what a bad entry again. Jeez. What a scramble. Uh-oh.
Order submitted.
Damn it, guys. I think it looks like we gotta get a bounce. A little bit of a bounce back up again.
Order filled. Order
Yeah, I'll exit that trade. I'll exit that trade.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see. I'm just gonna go with one.
Order submitted.
It's a crazy volatile market, guys, man. Be careful if you guys are trading this market. Holy. No, I've done trading the pro account. I'm not trading the pro account. I made 850 bucks on my pro. So I'm gonna leave it at that, you know, get my payout today as well. Yesterday I took 450. Today, tonight, I'm gonna be requesting another 850 bucks. Oh, I guess the daily payout is back in action again, I guess. I don't know. Oh my god, look at that bounce, guys. Incredible. Incredible juicy bounce. Looks like we're gonna hold this now, guys.
Order filled.
Wow. I exited that trade. Oh, this is funding ticks. This is funding ticks, guys. I'm trading funding ticks accounts. Wow, man. Look at this volatility, guys. Yeah, I don't think I can trade anymore. I'll leave it at this for now. I get nervous. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't been this nervous. Now, see, we're getting a little bit of a reversal pattern here, right? So I do not want to mess with this market for now, right? So we have a little bit of a... So let's see, the 50% retracement is back into, obviously, back into this 940. So I wonder if that's gonna hold. I don't think so, to be honest. I went short here, guys. One. I'm gonna hard stop here. I'm gonna hard stop here at 930. And if we pull back, then that's great. If not, then oh shit, look at that. Incredible, guys. This is an incredible volatility we are witnessing right here, right now. Yeah, I've got to have a hard stop. The market is too volatile for me to kind of hold this, right? Yeah, anything beyond 1 mini, it's got to be hard, man. I don't think I can handle that for now, at least. Looks like we are gonna try and look for a short-term bounce, I think. Yeah, it looks like a short-term bottom is in, maybe. Let's try to... I'm gonna try and quickly... Oh my god, look at that, guys. Hello? Yeah, it's me. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay, thank you so much. I'll be there this afternoon. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye. Wow, look at that nasty rejection there, guys. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now. Incredible. Incredible mochaccino, guys. Be careful, you guys are trading once again, man. I'm telling you. This price action right now, what we're getting is super duper volatile. Holy, look how fast it's moving. Alright, guys, I'm gonna look for a target back down into the 980. Sorry, 890. We just broke underneath a very important key level again. So let's see if we actually end up holding this or we break it down. Alright, guys, I got my target here. My eyes are into that 890. That's where my target is. Wow, look at this. Man, this pullback mochaccino is real. Wow, you're down like $1,000. You're up $1,000. Incredible, incredible journey. All right, guys, I added one more. I went one more. I've added one more. I'm looking for one more pullback here down. I'm looking for one more pullback down, guys. My stop here at the break even now. I'm gonna place my hard stop here at the break even, guys. Guys, I'm down to one now. Wow, stock tiger. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm moving back to micro now, guys. It's too difficult to trade this price action, so I'm gonna have to move to micro for now. All right, guys, I'm gonna constantly add on a pop here. Let's try to look to see a daily low, retest the low, and then I think we flush it down from there. Okay. Let's see if we can flush it down, guys. See, I told you guys, look at that beautiful trade. It's working out pretty nicely. Taking one more off the table down. All right, that's it. My final target would be the 820. That's the low. Nice, Mike Caps. $400 payout, guys. Hey, man, you know $400. Imagine if you think this $400 is nothing. That's a big mistake, right? Imagine if you were looking for a little bit more, you end up blowing your account or giving back that $400. What would you think, right? I've done that so many times over and over again a long time ago. Not lately. And that's bad. You know, I banked $870 today on my Take Profit Trader Pro account, and I locked it in, and that's it. I'm not trading that account anymore because that $800 is so precious. It's like gold. You know what I mean? I made $450 yesterday. I took that out. I took that out, and today another $800. I'm taking that out as well. A little amounts actually matters at the end of the day. And so while I'm trying to get the small little payouts that I'm getting right now, which obviously truly makes a big difference, it all adds up, right? But keep in mind, guys, I've got $10,000 of payout that I will be requesting with Apex in the next few days. And so while I wait to do that, I'm looking for that small payouts that will eventually matter at the end of the day. Michelle, what up, man? How do you get the energy to take so many trades a day? Michelle, I don't know. I have no idea. But I do know that I need a rest. I do know that. I'm just not sure. I definitely do need a rest though. Mike Champ, thanks man. I appreciate that. I appreciate you being so kind. If you are in profits, lock it in and walk away. $400, $100, $500, all our money. Imagine when you're buying an account, it takes you a few seconds, but you work so hard to get your payout, even if it's $300, you earned it. Let's lock it in and walk away. Michelle, what do you think about these companies promoting algo trading for prop firms that are making I think they're BS, in my opinion. I think they're BS. I'm out. I'm completely done, guys, in this trade. I don't have any open positions now. All right, guys. All right, I'm done trading that, and I don't know. I'm not sure what to. Oh, 1 second, guys. I was a bear. What are you talking about, Jihan? You're telling me to go get the bears, but I was a bear myself. Oh my god. Guys, this is a lot of fun today. I'm having I don't know if I'm having a great day, but I mean, we're getting a little bounce back up again, guys. One minute, guys. I've got a. Oh, I've got some setting up to do here. Yeah, I wouldn't mind just getting a little bounce back up again, to be honest. It wouldn't really matter too much for me. There you go. So I'm gonna move back to. I'm waiting for 3 accounts right now. It's not here, but I'm still waiting for credit for those accounts. So in the meanwhile, I'm gonna trade new accounts with Tech Profit Trader. Wow, look at this nasty pullback here, guys. 1 second. I may have to do something. That's one. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to redraw it again. This is the problem, right? You know, every time you have a new firm that you're trading, you've got to reset everything all over again, which is fine, but I mean, all All right, here we are. So I'm drawing a Fibonacci on this one big candle. Let's just move back to... man, this trend line is pretty significant. We are just not being able to get a balance off this level, guys. I don't know, man. This is not looking that great after all. God, you know, every time you change the time frame, these drawings change as well at the same time. Incredible. I hate it so much. Okay, so there we are. So I've got a trend line on a 1 minute chart. I'm gonna move back to, actually, you know what? I like the 150 ticks. So sorry, 100 ticks, right? Oh my god, look at this drawing already changed now again all of a sudden. Yeah, screw it. Forget about this. Wow. Maybe try 150. Maybe 150 could be a nice little... There we go. Here we are, and we've got another one here that I can use to kind of gauge where it's gonna go. All right, so I think it's I'm set to trade again. All right, so we are... All right, so I think it kind of makes sense to kind of get a bounce back into the 50% retracement, right? That's in that 875. And at the same time, that also coincides because we got a nice, beautiful topping end of this trend line here. So we it really kind of makes sense to get a bounce back into the 875. But then I don't know, from there, we're pretty overextended now, RSI. Volume, not as much. So let's see, guys. Bounce into the 875 could be doable now. We are actually getting pretty close to that level now. We're down about 1.7% overall in this market. We're down about 400 points. So we'll see, guys. I'm looking at the 30 minutes chart to kind of gauge where the next level is going to be and where this market is going to end up. Man, we got this. Alright, guys. Alright, bounce into the 870 is definitely doable, but it looks so weak, man. It's just so weak right now. Incredibly weak, guys. I don't like this at all. Like, if you try to go long, I mean, you're kind of like playing with the fire at this point. Unless we get a big, fat, you know, bounce. Like, we literally have to get a bounce back into, like, I don't know, 885. And that's right up here. Right? I don't know. This could be a falling knife too. Who knows? Yep, you're right. What is gold doing? I did not take a look at the gold. Gold is lower high, guys. Gold is lower high, and we talked about this gold. And I kind of said, okay, well, I think we could see the lower high. Short the pop on gold on a short-term basis. I think that's probably a better way to play gold. But again, who knows? Oh wow, look at this, guys. Ah, a bit of a rejection there. Oh, getting a little bounce. I'm gonna try and short this on a pullback here, guys. All right, go one got filled. I'm gonna try and short this all the way into the 880s, guys. And then I'm gonna stop out of this trade if we get a pop over 88, 880. All right, that's a pullback. Ugh, I mean, it could have been a better pullback. I don't know. I kind of like this. I think we continue pulling back here. I think that's what it is. Let me just try to.
Order filled. Order filled.
I got disconnected again on my. Oh, I see. All right, so there it is. Oh, we got Tesla earning too. My God, I forgot about that too. Thank you, Wiz No Fear, man. Oh, you had a great day. Nice, good stuff. All right, I think this it looks like it wants to constantly pull back here, guys. I guess just give me a few minutes. I'm trying to get wow, look at this market, guys. So freaking volatile.
Order filled. 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 Order filled
Oh. Insanity.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Holy man. Wow. Nasty. Oh, looks like we are getting a bounce, guys. Bounce back into the 880s.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it loose. Wow. Holy. Oh, I've got my order there.
Order
That's
canceled.
incredible. That's a big bounce. Huh. Yeah, I kind of missed the whole move to the upside too. That was a pretty bad play. We got a VWAP here at 920, so we could get a bounce back up there too.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, what a... All right, guys, we just tapped the 23.6 Fibonacci. Let's see if we get a bounce and go. We could certainly do that. Yeah, incredible volatility, guys. Gotta be really careful with trading this. Let's see how what kind of a play we get right here, guys. We are pulling back here. Pulling back here, guys. This could go now. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Down to 8. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna place my stop. 5 contracts right at the break even there. Let's see if we continue pulling back here, guys. Yeah, my stop at the break even with 5 contracts. If we can't hold this, guys, we could flush all the way down back into the 860s. For all you know, that's back into the 61.8 Fibonacci. This better hold. Taking one more off the table, down to 7 now. I've got my stop here at the break even. Let's see if we end up holding this, guys. We could try to retest the high and try to push it down. I may want to place my stop here. I would say in that 806, 906. We could end up holding this, get a bounce back up again as well. All right. Actually, no, I'm going to place my stop at the break even here now. I did that trade, guys. Wow. What the hell is that? Oh dear, once again. What is up? Oh, I still have 2 contracts. I've got $600 of drawdown, so I've got to somehow come up with some better plan here. Is this market trying to pull back up again? Is that what it is? I've got 2 micro right here, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm down on discount. I've got 5 now. Back down to 5. Oh, we're trying to get a bounce? I think we could, yeah. I mean, we'll still have to get over 910 though. To try and give this market a chance to get a bounce. It looks like it's doable, but we are trying to break out here as well right now. I don't know. Oh, definitely a tough market to trade now. Now we are kind of like in that discounted price right at the low. We hit the 804 and now we're getting a bounce back into the 905. That's like 100 points bounce back up again. But I don't know if we can hold this though. We really have to get above this 910 to make this a lot more meaningful. But I don't know if we can actually do that though. Maybe I should just exit this trade for now. I'm gonna pull back here, back down. Jeez, man. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Indecisive market for now. The Bulls and the Bears are trying to battle at this zone. This is a big one, guys. This is a big one. If we break out, then I think it's gone. I'm going to place my hard stop here, just in case.
Order submitted.
Hard stop right there.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Filled.
All right, guys, we are breaking down. Incredible. Incredible market.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled.
Filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
Come on, just decide what you want to do. Just bring it down. Come on, I know you want to bring it down. Let's go, man. Damn it. You kind of faked me out. I exited my trade a little bit too early, which is fine. Not the end of the world, guys. Not the end of the world. Yeah, this could be a pretty aggressive sell-off, or we get a bounce. Something's gonna break now, and we better hold this 880. If we can't hold this, then I think we are in a deep trouble. Is this market really going to give up? Like, you know, I don't know, man. We're down about 1.6%. Wow.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
I think this market's trying to hold, guys. I don't know. But,
Order canceled.
yeah, it looks like it wants to break it down. Oh man, it's going now. And that's a big fat rejection there. back up again. Wow. Incredible.
Order fell.
Wow. Back up again. Woo. It is so choppy, guys. It's so choppy. I kind of like the idea of a pull back down into the 804, but maybe we get a little pop before we do that. I don't know.
Order fell. Order fell. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order fell. Order submitted. Order fell.
Oh dear.
Order submitted. Order fell. Order fell. Order submitted. Order fell.
Hit it! Hit it! Come on!
Order fell.
There we go. Holy mochaccino. This is unreal. Alright guys, pull back into the 840 now. I know you can do that. Shit. Don't give me a bounce. No bounce. Let's just try to take my profit and run away. Shit, my god. Uh-oh. Alright, there we go. Woo! That was pretty close. Alright. What a battle here, guys. What a battle. Back up again. Wow. What a roller coaster for Stock Tiger here today, man. Down, up, down, up. You see me? I went back and forth, NQ and MNQ here. Guys, I kind of feel like, you know, we're going to retest the lower 821 now. 821. Let's see. Oh, shit. Take one down. Down to two now. Down to two. I think we are getting back in action, guys. Holy mochaccino, guys. We are back in action. Let's try to save this account. I think we try to pull back.
Order submitted.
Oh my god. No, 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 no. Ah! No, it's a little bit too early, Stock Tiger. Man, every time I try to move my stop, my limit order, it's like it gets filled so quickly. It's not even funny anymore. Okay, so we're down into the 840. Man, I think we could go all the way down. Maybe a little bit of a bounce back into the 848s, maybe 850s. Then I think it could compete though. All the way down back into the 820s, guys, and then retest the low again. Wow. And then we have what earnings again? We got Tesla earnings today, right? We got Tesla earnings. That's a big one. That's a big one, guys. Big Tesla earning coming out as well today afternoon. Holy man, this market is definitely gonna move this. Move the needle. Everything's gotta move. Whoa, mochaccino, man. Look at that pullback here, guys. This is unreal. All right, guys, my final take profit there, and I'm gonna look for a bounce back up again, and gonna look to try and short this market, guys, again. Wow, what a battle! What a battle! Guys, don't forget Apex 80% off right now, right here. Okay, yeah, it's not an exclusive offer, but the offer is on. It started right now. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading Apex, this could be the time to do that because you got Tesla earning coming out in about. Whoa, guys, hold on 1 second, guys. Mochaccino is real. We're getting a bounce back up again. Wow, what a volatility, guys. I don't know. What a volatility here, guys. I'm having a lot of fun here today. You guys know how much I love volatility. This is the beautiful thing about trading during the morning. Wow, incredible, guys. I don't know. I hope all of you had a great day. Did anybody have a bad day? And if you guys did, do not get too disappointed, guys. It's not the end of the world. It's not. Today's not the last day of trading. There's something I was supposed to do. Oh my god, guys. We are getting a bounce. And I'm in trouble. Of course. That's a pretty aggressive bounce, guys. That's a pretty strong bounce, guys. This could be the reversal now. I don't know, man. We got this big level here. If we break out of this, Stock Tiger is in trouble. Back again. Holy mochaccino. Alright, guys, 1 second. That's a big bounce we are getting right now. I don't know what it is. What's the reason for that? I don't know. That's a huge bounce, man. Alright, guys, I exited that trade. Damn it, guys, I'm back down again. Well, holy, guys, what is that now? That's a huge bounce we're getting right here, guys. That's a huge reversal. No, man, it looks too good. This is let's see. Oh my god. I have no idea what is up with this market now. It looks Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to take a stab here. I've only got $4.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I thought I had it back, but it's not.
Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
Yeah, I think the bounce is pretty good. I may be on the wrong side. For now. Wow. Oh, we just got above this Fibonacci's, right? We just got above this previous candle high, so it would kind of make more sense to go long, I guess, at this point. But we're already up so high. We are down to we just got like 150 points back again, so yeah, it's tough to trade now. I can certainly tell you that much. Yeah, what a reversal there, man. That was like literally 100 points. A bounce in like blink of an eye. I was looking at something else, and then all of a sudden you got this huge massive bounce. Obviously I kind of missed that as well, but well, it is what it is.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order failed.
Wow. Nasty. Nasty.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Whoa. Back underneath the VWAP, guys.
Order submitted. Connection lost.
Let's try to push this bad boy back up again. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm live, New York, right now. I've been live for about 3 hours now. straight back to back. Wow, look at that dumpage, guys. Interesting. Getting a bounce back up again. Incredible, guys. Incredible market. This market is definitely moving. This could be a payday for a lot of you guys. Not me, though. Let's see if we get a bounce back up again. Back up into the 930s. Are we going to be able to do that? Or do we get a rejection here? We could just chop as well, for all you know. I'm gonna exit this. Yeah, I exited that trade. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. We'll see you guys back today during the Asian market. I'm gonna go get something to eat and take a little break. Got some paperwork to take care of. And then I'll see you guys back in the Asian market, guys. I hope all of you have a great rest of the day. It's gonna be a difficult day. We got Tesla earning coming out right after the market close. It's a big day. Be careful, guys. Don't lose any accounts. Be safe, guys. Don't forget Apex 80% off is right now, and then 40% off on Take Profit Trader as well. We'll see you guys back tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern time, in about a few more hours, guys. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you. I'll be back tomorrow morning as well during New York. Just make sure to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time I go live. I will be live tomorrow morning, New York, guys, and then back again during the Asian market. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys back tonight. Peace.